Found an NVB file from NeroVision Express and need to recover an old video project? These are backup files from Nero's discontinued video authoring suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these NeroVision Express backup files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the NVB format fails. More on this later. Users encounter NVB files when they have used NeroVision Express, a component of the Nero Multimedia Suite, to back up their video projects. The primary goal for someone searching this term is to restore a previously saved video project, including all its assets, timeline information, and settings within the Nero software. The NVB file is a proprietary binary container. This format was designed to bundle all project-related assets, video clips, audio tracks, effects, and metadata into a single, manageable file. This monolithic approach simplifies project archiving and transfer, ensuring all dependencies are preserved for later editing or restoration. Essential file access for NVB relies upon the utility NeroVision Express from Nero AG. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows can't interpret backup metadata or structure, so specialized restore software must open it. We'll conduct a full system compatibility scan now. Right-click your NVB file and select Open With. Test NeroVision Express if it appears. If it fails, select another application. This is a process of elimination. If your NVB file still refuses to open, stay calm. This NVB file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, Opening in NeroVision Express. Install. NeroVision Express if you have the original installation media or can locate legacy versions through archived sources. Launch the application and use File, then Restore Backup, or similar option to load the NVB file. The original software environment provides the most reliable recovery path for these backup files. Next, trying modern Nero Video. Install current Nero Video or Nero Platinum Suite, and attempt to import NVB files through the project import options. Modern Nero products may retain some backward compatibility with NeroVision Express files, though feature loss is likely. Check Nero's documentation for specific legacy format support in your installed version. Finally, recreating in modern software. If NVB files cannot be opened, reconstruct projects in current video editing software like DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, or CyberLink PowerDirector. Locate the original source media files referenced by the project and rebuild the timeline manually, using your modern editor of choice for ongoing production work. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.